This is how to change your beeper signal settings on your Siemens IQ washing machine. Turn it on. Select any program. Select options. Select settings. And then you'll see a signal here with plus and minus. The buttons themselves don't actually make any noise, it only affects this noise. You only get beeps when you start and start the machine, stop the machine, and unlock the child lock. Very quiet. Note that the beeper on this beeps for about 5 minutes and then it will stop beeping at the end of the cycle. If you wish to reduce the signal noise or to turn it off completely, that is how to do it. Thanks for watching, guys.